So I bought a whole pallet, 56 bags of these 60-pound bags. The price is about the same for the 60s and 80s, you know, for what you get as far as, amount of volume per dollar. And 60 pounds is 20 pounds less than 80, so it's a lot easier to handle. So we're mixing here, mixing it in here under the easy up, and wheelbarrowing it over our little operation. Alright, so sitting around the campfire last night, we decided that we needed to tie into the slab. So I drilled some 5/8 holes. These are 8-inch long 5/8 grade 5 bolts that I jammed in there, and they're in there good. So all around the perimeter we got 10 of these bolts that will get concreted into the slab, so the whole thing will be tied in. So if you did put something heavy on the lift, it wouldn't sink it down past the existing slab, so it should all really be tied in nice. So we're just kind of slowly mixing our mix. Now we forgot to put duct tape over my holes on those threaded bunks, so I just did that, and now we can continue on mixing this stuff. So let's do this. Oh man, I'm tired. We're on day 3 here. Alright, we just put the forms in, and I gotta finish smoothing out the inside here. I should have put the forms in first. That would have been a lot easier, but it's all like a rush game here, trying to get shit done. But got my bolts in there. They're gonna tie into the slab. I don't think this thing's going anywhere, so hopefully we got enough concrete. Alright, we're in the last stages here. We're working our asses off, and I'm just using the Sawzall now to go and just kind of vibrate it, shake it down a little bit. Okay guys, I am whooped. 3 days of this. We've mixed 46 bags of concrete today. Mixing is really not that bad with that mixer, but it's just a lot of work. So I'm gonna flip this around, and here is the semi-final product. I'm gonna go take a little dinner break, come back, pop these forms out, and do any little final troweling along the edges in there. And then I'm gonna clean up this edge a little bit more too. And then I gotta get some fine hydraulic cement to put in these cut lines there. And I don't really worry too much about this since I'm gonna be grinding the floor. So actually, we set it in 1/4 inch deep. Figuring we're gonna be taking off some, concrete with the grinding. So hopefully it'll be pretty flush when we're done. And we didn't dig it yet, but we dug the trench over here, so I didn't have to dig out the whole floor here by hammering that pipe through. And hopefully I'm close where it's somewhere in there and I can get to it. I'll bring it up. I use the rotary hammer to kind of make a circle there where I can bring the pipe up and reconcrete that part in. So 46 bags to do this, just in case you're wondering. So glad I put that tape on there. Made that easy. So I'm just going along now and cleaning off all this tape, but cleaning up this edge. Cleaning this up. I'm just kind of scraping it, getting it out. I think I waited a little bit too long to take these forms out. And this edge here, I just been going along with the brush. And then, remember, I'm going to be grinding the floor, so hopefully this will look good. Alright guys, I just popped the forms. Looks pretty good. I'm going to go along and just kind of fill in a few spots where I probably didn't vibrate it enough and clean up that little edge between where the two 2x4s were, but other than that, looks pretty good. Wish I had a shop back here. Maybe I could just shop back up all this stuff. I am totally beat. It was three full days, maybe 8, 10, 11-hour days, and but hopefully it'll all be worth it. We're going to end it right here, so don't forget to like and subscribe. You know the drill. Come back and see me in the new shop. We're going to be setting this place up, and it's going to be sweet. So, peace out.